Test the fan function with the system compartment closed by simulating the door safety switch with a surface magnet placed over the switch. When diagnosing a fan with safety interlocks engaged, start by identifying the door safety switch location, which is usually a small plunger or reed switch near the compartment frame. Use a properly sized surface magnet to hold the switch in the actuated position. Place it directly over the switch housing and verify it stays put without forcing the panel or creating pinch points. Before applying power, confirm all wiring is intact and the compartment interior is clear of tools and debris that could contact moving parts once the fan runs. Power the unit and listen for consistent fan motor spool up and steady operation, then use your handheld non-contact tachometer or a multi-function clamp meter to measure current draw against manufacturer specifications. Abnormal current indicates mechanical binding or bearing failure. If the system reports a fault code, note it exactly and consult the service manual for code definitions, since codes often indicate sensor or control issues rather than purely mechanical problems. Always remove the magnet and restore the safety interlock before leaving the equipment unattended, and document your steps and findings so the next technician can follow the same safe procedure. Common mistakes include using an overly strong magnet that can damage the switch or housing, so choose a small surface magnet and avoid pounding it into place. If the switch feels loose, replace the switch rather than forcing a magnet to compensate. Another issue is neglecting to isolate power, or not verifying the fan path is clear, which can cause injury if the fan engages unexpectedly. Always follow lockout tagout procedures and visually confirm the area is safe before energizing. A third concern is misinterpreting electrical measurements, which leads to unnecessary part replacement. Compare readings to the equipment manual and repeat tests to confirm anomalies before ordering components. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors through searchable profiles and community discussions so people can ask questions and share experiences about maintenance techniques like this. We help contractors find new work by giving them a place to showcase projects and participate in our discussion community where practical tips and referrals grow organically.